Hey Fashion Rebels, today we're transforming thrift store neckties into a killer halter top. Step 1. Snag 4 neckties from your local thrift store. More ties, more style. Next, cut each tie to 24 inches along the widest part. Save the extra tail pieces for later, trust me, you'll need them. Now pin 2 ties together, right sides facing each other for the front piece, and do the same with the other 2. This will be the heart of your top. Sew those 2 pieces together at the top to form your halter neck. Look at that, instant style upgrade. Time to grab those long skinny tail pieces you saved, sew them together, then attach to the front piece so you can tie it at the back. And boom, your very own upcycled necktie halter top, sustainable, stylish, and totally unique. If you dug this DIY, hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Let's keep turning trash into trend, one tie at a time.